What's going on, guys? It's your boy Midas, and today I got some more challenging workout for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing an arm blasting workout. So we're gonna be blasting our arms completely. I'm talking about the shoulders, biceps, the triceps, all parts of the shoulders. I mean the rear delts, the traps, everything, man. We're going crazy. This workout is more of a challenge. So we're gonna be doing 200 reps of 20 different, exercises. So 10 reps each. I'm gonna be doing this with dumbbells. So 30-pound dumbbells. You can use whatever you want. You can use lower dumbbells. You can use higher dumbbells if you're feeling really brave. Go ahead and knock yourself out. You can also use water jogs if you don't have those, because this is very high volume, so you will feel some effect. If you're looking for more challenging workout, click on the link at the top of the video right now. Let's get this party started, y'all. You already know how it is. Let's do this, man. I'm ready to get it going. It's been so long since I got a full arm pump. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. exhausted, y'all. That one took the breath out of me on my life. That was basically 200 reps in total arm blasting workout. So you want to attack your arms, you know, before a party, or just you want to get a good burn, or just a crazy arm pump, or you want to build mass. This workout right here, I can guarantee you, will get you sweating, will get you all the way pumped up, man. This was a crazy workout. This was a challenge. So I challenge all you guys out there to go ahead and try this out, man. Get to it, man. Stay active in this time. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I know you do like it, and subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. You're trying to figure out what to eat during this time, you know, you want to know what I eat to stay lean, my maintenance diet right now, check out the video that's on the screen right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Midas is out, y'all.